Hello viewers, we are back with a new video, a new tutorial. Today we are going to teach you how to make FIFA World Cup football. So we are going to start. First of all, we are going to make chain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, total 31 chain.
Total 31 chains in the same way.
13, 14, 15. 1 skip, okay, and 1 half double crochet.
First we have made 31 chains and now half double crochet in the second line.
Okay. Next chain, half double crochet. Okay.
Like this, make the whole line. Our third line, our second line is complete.
Okay.
First a chain, and then we will make same half double crochet pattern in the whole line. We will make total 5 lines. This is our third line, 2 more lines with the same pattern of half double crochet.
Okay.
This football will be very cool. You can make these footballs and give to your relatives, your friends.
In this football season.
Yes. Okay, so we have made the 5 lines. Now you will fold it. Joining the two ends, a slip stitch.
Okay. And
we are using 2.5 crochet. Because our wool is thick, that's why we are using this size crochet.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
We have joined the end.
Next. Next.
The two sides are joined.
Okay. Last stitch. Slip stitch.
Using the red color, we will make same 31 chains, and then the same pattern half double crochet, and we will make 5 lines like the white one, and we will then fold it in the same way. Using this blue color, this is our third color, we will make 32 chains, one chain more than the previous two colors. Okay viewers, so now we have made the 5 lines as we have told you, and 3 colors, and we have folded them, and now we have left the thread long because we have to make the chain, and we also have to stitch it like this, long thread. Now we are passing the white color from the blue one like this, and our third rows of color, the red color, from the above side.
Okay.
Adjust them properly. Now folding the sides,
Okay.
into
But
the inner side, but first we will add cotton or polyester so that our football appears round and beautiful. We are adding the polyester. You can buy it easily from the market. It is the same which we add in the cushions.
okay, then we sew it
Now we are going to sew it with the help of needle and our blue thread which is left. Now we are sewing it with the help of needle and our blue thread, same crochet wool thread.
Okay.
Sew it properly so that it does not separate. You can use this football for multi-purpose. For gifting children, you can use it as a keychain, as a ball, for playing, as a gift. As a decoration item, a football theme birthday party. This football can be kept as a source of decoration. These little things make your house more beautiful. Now we have removed the thread and we are using our crochet, 2.5 crochet, and we are going to make chain.
Okay.
Check the size and then make the chain. We have finished our chain by taking a slip stitch. This is our beautiful football, FIFA football. Hope you like it. We have made another one. This is in a different color. You can also make according to your favorite colors. If you like our football keychains, like and subscribe our channel.